TunnelBear VPN Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing TunnelBear VPN, discussing its features, performance, and whether it's a good fit for your needs. You'll find links to the product in the description below, so feel free to check those out. TunnelBear is a user-friendly VPN service that's designed for individuals who want an easy-to-use, secure, and private internet browsing experience. It's perfect for casual users who are new to VPNs, or for those looking for something simple and effective without the complexity of advanced configurations. One of the standout features of TunnelBear is its user-friendly interface. The app is sleek, easy to navigate, and can be set up in just a few minutes. It works on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices, making it versatile across platforms. TunnelBear also offers a free plan with a limited data allowance of 500 megabytes per month, which is ideal for occasional browsing or testing out the service. If you need more data, their paid plans unlock unlimited access. When it comes to security, TunnelBear uses AES 256 encryption to keep your data safe, and it follows a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that none of your browsing activity is stored. They also offer additional features like a kill switch to prevent data leaks if the VPN connection drops, and a Ghost Bear feature that helps to bypass VPN blocking, which is particularly useful in restrictive environments. In terms of performance, TunnelBear's speeds are solid, though it may not be the fastest VPN on the market. For casual browsing, streaming, or general online use, it works well. However, if you're a heavy user or need to stream high-quality content regularly, you may want to consider other options that are more optimized for speed. Overall, TunnelBear is a great VPN for beginners and those who want a simple, trustworthy VPN for everyday use. It's secure, affordable, and easy to use, perfect for those who value privacy without a steep learning curve. Check the description for the link to start using TunnelBear today.